Hi and welcome to today's video. We're having a look at EndeavourOS. EndeavourOS is an Arch-based Linux distribution, and you know I like Arch, so let's go and have a look. The September release has arrived, so let's see what happens in the September release. They updated the kernel to 5.12, 5.2.14. They implemented some new icons. You have a NVIDIA installer. They also had some bug fixes. So yeah, let's just have a look. So here we are at the boot screen of the ISO. So let's start it. So it looks like the VirtualBox drivers are directly working, so that's good. So the greeter is here, so we can just start the installer. It should be the Calamaris installer. Yes, it is. Of course, my language is set to English. I have to Dutch, and I want to have English. American English, thank you. Next. Yes, I'm in Amsterdam, so that's good. So also the numbers and dates set in the locale for the Netherlands, so that's very good. Let's choose my keyboard. As we're doing it in the VirtualBox, I will just erase the disk and let the system do its work. You can select swap or no swap. So that's good. You can encrypt the system if you want to. So let's create the user. Put in a password. Use the same name for the password for the Emulator account. So this is the summary of what we're gonna do. The location set times for Europe, Amsterdam, that's good. The language will be American English, that's also fine. The locale will be set to Netherlands, so that's also very good. The keyboard is correct. We're gonna erase the disk, so let's start it. Let's start the installation. Install now. So this will take a while, so when it's finished, I will be back. Okay, all done. So let's restart the system. Okay, let's log in. So like I said, it looks very bright to me. So I'm using very white so they're using a very white theme here. Very bright. But let's see. So we're logged in now. Connection established. Yes, don't show this message again. So here we have the greeter again. So the installation is done. So you have the general info with the website, the news, how to donate, the wiki, and that kind of things. After installations, you can update your mirrors. So let's go through that. Update the mirrors. So we're in the Netherlands, include HTTPS mirrors, so that's good. Okay, save to the Pacman list. Okay, that's saved. Now we can update the system. So it's checking for updates. No updates, so that's fine. Package management, AUR and J, so that's later. Hardware network, Bluetooth. If you're an NVIDIA user, you can here directly install your NVIDIA drivers. So here you can add more software as well. LibreOffice, if it's not installed, Chromium web browser, Bluetooth manager, and firewall. But let's go through what's installed already. So here at the bottom, you have the logout button, so you can see how to log out. A clock, notifications, computer, so presentation mode or power settings, sound. This is probably, there's also no notifications to show. Your network configuration. We have 4 desktops, or 4 desktops. We have Gtop installed, so let's run Gtop. The CPU is almost not used. Memory 17%. After 4 gigs, so okay. So Gtop is something different than the Htop. I always like Htop more than Gtop, but okay. Terminal emulator, this is probably console. Oh, it's the XFCE terminal, okay. So they're using XFCE terminal. The tuner file manager, so they don't use Dolphin. So they use tuner. Also nice file manager, so, and Firefox, let's see what Firefox version we have running. Should be 69 as I saw. But let's check it, because it's still an Arch-based system, so it should be up to date every time. Yeah, 69.01. Close the tabs. And what's in the menu? I thought it was a KDE version, but it feels to me like it's more an XFCE version than a KDE version. Probably downloaded the wrong one, and this is the XFCE version, so, but it looks pretty good. So let's go to what applications are installed on the system. About XFCE, so XFCE 4014, I think that's also the latest version, so it's good. All applications, appearance or customize, so you can customize your look and feel. It's set to arc darker. I would love to prefer arc dark. Icons, yeah, that should be fine. Fonts, yeah, Noto, okay, I think that's already a bit better, yeah. What else do they have installed by default? Let's go to accessories, Clipman, Kadu instead of Pacman, so that's also very nice. Task Manager, it's also the simple one from KDE, I think. Yeah, XFCE, okay. Sorry, XFCE. What what else do they have? In accessories, calculator, leaf pad. Okay, development, nothing much. You have the Ristretto image viewer. Firefox, GFTP. Okay. Multimedia, Pulse Audio. Parola Media Player. In Office, they also have nothing there. Nothing special at least. And here you have the display manager, the file manager, the greetings manager, the panel management, the power management. Yeah, looking fine. Let's open a terminal and let's install something. So Pseudopacman -s. Let's install Gtop. Oh, Gtop already installed by default. Okay, good. I didn't see it, so 468 megabytes of memory in use. So that's very good. It's very light. Nice transparency on the terminal. So let's check what else we have. The desktop settings. Let's go to the desktop settings. Okay, a set of wallpapers. Well, they have some pretty nice wallpapers though. This is a very nice one. This also looks very good. Love this one. Also very nice one. Yeah, I have a couple of good ones. It's also very good. Yeah, it looks like a pretty nice system, as far as I can see. It's pretty clean as well. So if you can install a lot more, for graphics, your GIMP, for Office, of course, your LibreOffice, and you can do it from the greetings. Okay, so they don't. I was looking for a software manager, but they don't have it. If you hear some noise in the background, it's my washing machine, so I'm sorry for that, but that's okay. So they do expect you to use Pacman for the installation of your software. So if you want to have LibreOffice, sudo Pacman -s and then LibreOffice fresh, I believe. Put in your password, and yeah, so LibreOffice fresh, you can install it. It will install it pretty quickly, I hope. So they did the candy on the Pacman, so you can see the C eating the nice dots. So very good. Let's see if they have NeoFetch installed by default. No, they don't. But that's okay. We saw what we had. Uname -r. We're running kernel, the latest version 5.3.1, so it's the latest kernel. It seems pretty snappy for this system, so let's see if I do LibreOffice Writer. Okay, tooltips. What version are we running? Yeah, also the latest 6.3. So, if you want a nice, clean, Arch-based system with where everything is being handled for you, this is very good looking and very nice system. Looks very good. So yeah, this is it for now, guys, and have fun using Linux.